today I'll be diving on how to remove background in Photoshop. Let's dive in. So at this junction, okay, so I'm going to open a new file, or let me open a new file. So let me use just 4 by 4 inches, 4 by 4 inches, 300 resolution. Just name it remove background content is white. I'm working on RGB, so click create now. So now I'm going to look for the image that I want Let me just work with this folder, so I like to work with it. I'm using this picture, so let me drag this one in now. So click OK. So there are automatic ways to remove background in Photoshop, and there are other ways that you can remove it manually yourself. So I'll start by removing this manually myself. So I'll click on this pen tool. I'm going to click on this pen tool, and then I'm going to zoom into the places that I want to. So I'm going to start just watching. So make sure that I getting the lines correctly. This place now. So I want to curve it. I'll just click here, left and right, arrow key, I'll just take it. Let's say you want to round shape, you can take it left and right. So like this particular one, I want to start here again. Now you can see, so you can press delete on your keyboard. Oh, okay. First, I'm going to restore it. This was the first thing I was supposed to do, but I didn't do it. I forgot. So I'm going to click delete now. You can see, remove the background. You can see it before, see after. See after. So this is how to remove background in Photoshop. Thank you guys.